Hello, I'm Will. I'm a social host here at Lapoint Surf Camp, Canggu, Bali.
Hey, I'm Madeleina, I'm a guest, and today we'll show you around the camp. Come with us.
Here we are. Welcome to paradise.
Woo!
Alright, first thing you see when you walk into the camp is our first of two beautiful pools. This is probably the main place where we all hang out. As you can see, we've got outdoor area, which is usually full sun. We've got indoor places to relax if you feel like you've got a few too many rays today. Often we're having all kinds of silly activities and fun around the pool, such as paddle competitions, duck dive training, and occasionally a few beers where you'll meet your friends, some music quizzes, and maybe the occasional backflip as well if anyone's up for it.
Woo!
It but it
Do
does
it now.
happen. Maybe just grab your friend and throw it.
So here's our indoor, this beautiful living room. We have this amazing couch for good naps and another couch with our mascot, Bruce.
Here on the schedule board we'll find all the information that you need to know about surf times, pickups, where we'll be surfing, all the other activities we'll be doing, what you'll need and where and what we will be eating that day. If we're eating dinner in the camp, over here is the camp kitchen. Featuring all local staff, you're likely to have some of the best bee goreng or nasi goreng you're going to experience here in Bali. They are amazing cooks.
So next to the kitchen we have our small shop with some rip curl clothing and some surf accessories.
Over here we've got our honesty bar featuring lots of cold drinks, perfect for after a surf or a big day in the sun. Some snacks, some zinc sunscreen, bottles, and as per our sustainability policy here at Lapoint, always
water.
available fresh cold water and plastic cups, so we have zero waste. Behind us you can see 2 out of 5 of our poolside bungalows. One of them is shared, the other one is a private room. But as with all the rooms here at Lapoint, they are beautifully decorated.
The outdoor shower, my favorite place to rinse off after surf.
Behind us you can see our other 3 poolside bungalows featuring an air-conditioned common room in case you do need to cool off at the end of a long day in the sun. Alternatively, you can cool yourself off in the pool or cool your friends off.
Now I'm cool off, Will, thank you so much.
That is what friends are for after all. Here we are in our air-conditioned common space. We've got a chill out area, some board games, and occasionally we like to chuck on a movie if everyone's feeling very depleted after a long day of hardcore surfing. As you can see, there are our other 3 poolside bungalows.
So here we have our dorm bathroom. As you can see, natural light coming in all the time. And we have a nice sink over here, a nice mirror, which I love how big it is. And the shower, of course, super important. So here we have our private room. Perfect for a couple, perfect for someone that just wants to be more private, like 2 friends that don't want to be in the dorm, or a solo traveler, of course, that likes king-size bed just for them.
Sometimes you need to treat yourself with direct access here to the shared balcony with the other private room.
Oh my god, this sofa.
Yeah, the balcony.
Whoa,
is
the balcony.
The real sell, I reckon.
So that was it for our house tour here at the Lapoint Surf Camp in Bali. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, just leave the comment below and we'll answer anytime. And we'll be waiting for you. Hope to see you soon.